In today's video, I'm going to teach you moving your VS Code files to Replit. We're going to focus on two straightforward approaches: a direct file upload and using Git integration. Both methods are reliable, and choosing one depends on whether you want a quick one-time move or an ongoing workflow that stays in sync. Let's start with the direct upload. In VS Code, make sure your project folder is tidy and ready to run. You don't need to include heavy generated folders like node modules or build artifacts. Replit can install those from your package manager files, such as package.json or requirements. Txt. Head over to Replit and create a new REPL that matches your project's language or framework. Once the workspace opens, use the file sidebar to upload your files or drag your entire project folder right in. Replit will keep the same structure, which is important for imports and paths. After the files are in place, open the shell and install dependencies the same way you would locally. Then confirm your run command points to your app's entry file. Replit can often detect this, but it's worth double-checking. Press run, watch the logs, and make any quick fixes if paths or environment variables differ from your local setup. For larger projects, uploading a compressed zip and extracting it in the shell can be faster, and it helps avoid browser timeouts. Now, if you want a setup that stays in sync with your local code, use Git integration. In VS Code, commit your changes and push your project to a remote repository, like GitHub. In Replit, choose the option to import from GitHub and authorize access if it's your first time. Select your repository, and Replit will clone it into a new repo. From there, verify the run command and install dependencies as needed. When you make updates in VS Code, commit and push, then pull the latest changes in Replit using the Git panel or the shell. This keeps your environment consistent across both tools. To avoid conflicts, try to make edits in one place at a time and sync before switching. A quick note on sensitive data: don't upload or commit secret files. In Replit, add environment variables through the secrets panel so they stay secure and separate from your code. With that, you're ready to move your VS Code files to Replit, either for a quick transfer or a continuous Git-powered workflow.